I'm cooking cauliflower on the barbecue today, which might sound a little bit strange, but trust me, it tastes amazing when it's slow grilled in this Greek-inspired recipe. We need to start by cutting really thick slices from our cauliflowers. So I trim the leaves off, cut off each side, keeping all the spare pieces for a soup or stir fry another day. And then this centerpiece, I cut right through the middle into 2 steaks, with all the florets still held together by the main stem. So I've got the barbecue nice and hot, and all I need to do is drizzle a little bit of olive oil over each slice, a really good grind of black pepper, and then I'm going to lay them directly on the grill bars, where they'll take about 20 minutes. So that gives me time to prepare the herby sprinkle to go on top. So I pick the leaves off a bunch of fresh oregano and chop them finely. Tip into a small bowl and finely chop some garlic. Grate in some lemon zest and save the lemon for its juice later, and simply mix it all together. So the cauliflower's done on that side now, beautiful and caramelised on the underneath. Put it caramelised side up onto a piece of foil, sprinkle over a little teaspoon of the herb mixture. And then on top of that goes a lovely generous slice of feta. And lastly, a good grind of pepper. So all I'm going to do is just scrunch up the sides to make a little wall, and the foil is simply to catch any beautiful juices or if the cheese melts, because you don't want to waste any of that lovely flavour. And then that goes back on the grill bars. After about 15 minutes, they should be done. So the cauliflower is tender and caramelised, and the cheese is really melty, so I'm very happy with those. So to serve, all you need to do is slide one of the parcels onto a plate, keep it in the foil because that will keep all those lovely juices inside. I'm going to squeeze over a bit of that lemon juice I saved and a final drizzle of olive oil. And there we are, Greek-inspired cauliflower steaks with feta, oregano and lemon. Lovely.